or si PRD. Meron siyang nakikita that I'm pretty sure we might be missing. But siguro nga, let's say na hindi threat yung mga Nograles. What is the second? Uy, maraming salamat, may nagpadala dun sa GApp. So let's say it's not about the Nograleses. Let's say it's not about the national government helping to eliminate the Duterte threat. Kumbaga. What do you think is the reason kung bakit tumatakbo si PRD? Sabi ni Madison Lee Cadnes, thank you for keeping us wiser sa mga political issues. You're welcome po. O, huwag kakalimutan yung like and share, ha? Importante po yung share. Meron akong para himatayin naman yung mga trolls. Like, share, follow. Sabi ni Hadiliza, please run for the Senate. You're one of the most needed persons there for the Pinoy's future. Sorry for using all caps. Okay. Hindi naman all caps yan. Si ma'am naman, no? Okay, masyadong can't choose. So, I can't promise for 2025, but I certainly promise I will take your suggestion seriously for the next round, for 2028. Okay na? Okay na? Hindi talaga ngayon. Even if ever, ha?
Hindi tatakbo ito si Okay. Sayang naman.
Hi kay Dilates.
Bigla tayo ng hinayang kasi itong mga ganitong klaseng ulo ang kailangan natin sa I mean, ganyang kagaling na individual lang ang kailangan natin dyan sa Senado. Sayang kung hindi tatakbo itong si Attorney Trix.
Tsaka kay Ma'am Joanne. Eh, pasensya na po, medyo na lang. Sabi ni Dila Tesca, 2028. O, ayan. Ano nyo kasi, it's not something that I can do. Like si PRD, kaya niyang sabihin, is there a clamor? Oh, there's a clamor. Oh, sige, ditakbo ko. Hindi ko kakayanin yung ganyan. Si PRD lang ang pwedeng magsabi ng, may clamor pala. Oh, sige, takbo ko. Sanay na sila. So, ako, I'm not even, I've never even considered that. Good evening. Hi kay Glenn Espaldon. Magandang gabi po. Sabi ni Ma'am Eileen, love the PRD bus tandem, Nograles, diretso sa basurahan yan. Kumbaga, I think it's also possible that PRD wants to send a strong message. Loko ba kayo? Kilala ko yung kalibre ninyo. At alam namin, hindi naman tayo completely unaware sa ginagawa ni Congresswoman Migs. So, would you let somebody like that, yung ganyang how do you call this? I would like to use the word sycophant, but sige, di bale na lang. Kadikit kay House Speaker na ganyang ka-diehard for the administration, yung mga tipong kahit mali na yung pamimigay ng ganung klaseng ayuda, it's almost at the level of being obscene, pero tuloy pa rin yung ganyang pagpapakita ng ewan ko. Ma'am Vivian Pleta says, no vote for Rafi and Erwin Tulfo. Correct. I agree naman dyan. Wholeheartedly. Bataan sila ng oligarchs like Manny Pangilinan. It's better for the Dutertes to take hold of Davao so the B admin cannot penetrate it. Yes. And if ever we have to, step up our game in opposing the policies and the ridiculous as well as the downright dangerous and possibly criminal practices of the BBM administration, it helps to have, kumbaga, some place na meron, how do you call this? Center of operations? Or ano ba? No, not a center of operations, but a safe place for the likes of us. Di ba? Sabi ni Everhart, this is going to be the total annihilation of Nograles' political career. Well, may time pa naman siya magbago ng isip kung anong itatakbo niya. Kasi mabablock-out siya talaga eh. Halimbawa, takbo siya ng mayor, it's PRD. Takbo siya ng vice mayor, si Baste naman ang kalaban niya. She's in a difficult situation. DJ Dan says, ask ko lang po bakit hindi required sa mga politiko na tumakbo ang civil service. Because, lalong-lalo na for the congressmen and senators, they make the rules. Nagtanong, bakit ka tinanggal sa pagka-executive secretary? Hindi po ako tinanggal at hindi po ako naging executive secretary. Sabi ni Ma'am Joan, ayaw ni FPRD na mapariwara uli ang Davao template yan on how to manage a city the right way. You know, I don't think that's it. You know why? When he let go of the presidency, madali i-let go. When he stepped down, ang plano niya, retire na eh. O di sige, yung mga anak niya, gusto ni Baste mag-mayor, si Baste ang mayor, congressman si Kong Pulong, vice president si VP Inday, kaya lang, parang sige, he'll enjoy his grandchildren. I don't think that's it eh. I think it's possibly the fact that, well, definitely it's because there is a clamor, pero hindi niya kaya na daw mag national campaign, di ba? Hindi na, not possible anymore. So, what will he do? Siya sa pagka-mayor, and maybe there will be others who can take on the national roles. He doesn't like yung Congress Senate. Ayaw niya ng ganon kasi you don't get to solve problems. Gusto niya talaga executive. Sabi ni Orange Miming, no threat po talaga ang Nograles sa Davao City, but we should be vigilant din kahit pinupuntuhan talaga ng admin ito na ito ang particular LGU na to para buhusan ng pondo to bankroll Migawans candidacy. Lionel says, please help VP Sara. Kailan ba ako tumigil? Ha? Sabi ni Kapwa at Bayanihan, nobody talks about Tawi-Tawi. Spent a major part of my childhood in Sulu. I do talk about, but mostly I talk about the Sulu Archipelago rather than Tawi-Tawi. Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong kilala. So, but we can't force people to talk about something they know very little about, but that's not fair. Kyle says, Ma'am, look, even the most loyal supporters are divided on voting for candidates like Philip Salvador. Siya lang naman yata eh. That they will be forced to vote for somebody else. So please consider, hi, we're putting your name in. Akala ko naman this is a pitch for, for Ipe. Wala naman pong sinabi sa akin din na I was asked if I wanted to run and I said not this time and they said okay. Oh, di wala. 'Di ba my what do you call this? My condition was if FPRD asks me to, then I have no choice. I will consider it as not having any choice whatsoever. Pero he phrased